Welcome back friends. In this video we are going to talk about automatic blood pressure monitor from Dr. Morepen. It is one of the best automatic blood pressure monitor. It is an essential personal health care machine which everyone should have it in their home. So in this video we will be going to see what's inside this box and what is the proper way to measure the blood pressure using this instrument. Let's get started. So friends, here we have automatic blood pressure monitoring machine from Dr. Morepen BP1, and let me repeat it, its model number is BP09, and it's very awesome, very useful blood pressure monitoring machine which you can buy it and keep it at your home for measurement of blood pressure for anybody. So let us open it and see what's inside this box. And so if I open this box, first of all I get this arm cuff. This is an arm cuff with a air tube and with a jack, air jack. Also we have got this 4 A4 size batteries. Finally a main unit of the BP monitoring machine. This is the main unit, and we also have a instruction manual which I have lost it. So before moving forward, let us see what's there in this main unit. So here it is, there is a calibration system which shows the systolic and diastolic and pulse, and here we have a display where the actual reading is displayed here. Here also we have got this power button, on and off button. This is a power on and off button. We have to switch it off and on through this button only. Before learning the actual process of measuring the blood pressure, we have to take care of few points. Point number 1, avoid eating, drinking alcohol, smoking, bathing 30 minutes prior to taking measurement, and rest for at least 15 minutes prior to taking the measurement. Also avoid exercises before measuring the blood pressure. Third point is stress resists blood pressure, so avoid taking measurement during the stressful time. Fourth point is measurement should be taken in a quiet place. See, we have to take it in a quiet place because in a noisy place, because of the emotions that blood pressure may alter. So the fifth point is remove tight fitting clothing before you from your arm. Tight fitting clothing should be avoided, and remain still and do not talk during the measurement. So you have to remain still and do not talk during the measurement. So let us jump to the actual process of measuring the blood pressure. So first of all, you have to put the batteries here. Here it is the battery slot. On the back side, remove this cover and put the batteries. So once we have put the batteries in the main unit, you will get this jack from where you have to connect the arm cuff through the tube. So here is the arm cuff and this is the jack, and you have to put it here like this. See, this is connected. Once it is connected, remove the clothing from your arm and put this cuff on your arm. So I am using my left hand. You can use also your right hand. Put this cuff on the arm and make sure that the end of the lower end of the cuff should be half an inch away from the joint line, elbow joint line. Should be half an inch above the joint line, and this air tube should lie in the middle of the forearm or arm. See, and tighten the cuff. Yeah, see, we have tightened the cuff, and this is the power button. So because the camera is on the lower level, so I am holding it like this. Switch it on the machine and let the machine run, and air is, see, I am feeling it, air is being pumped here. So what we have to take it care that you should not talk during the measuring of the machine, because I have to present it before you. I am talking to you. So slowly this reading is coming. This reading is coming. See, Now it is being the cuff is being deflated, air is being deflated. So here I have got the actual reading because 154 by 112. It is BP is increased because I am talking to you and I'm working on recording this video. So because this is because it has been increased, otherwise would have been normal. So this reading is like this. This is systole, SIS is systole. This is the systolic part of the blood pressure. This is 120, that is normal, and this is diastolic, the lower part. And this, so my blood pressure is here is 154 by 112, and normal blood pressure reading is 120 by 80. And after doing it, switch it off like this, switch it off it, and remove the cuff. Hope friends you like this video and you find it is useful. If you like this machine, you can buy it from Amazon. I have given the link below in the description. You can get it from the Amazon. It's very good machine. It is you should keep it for measuring blood pressure. You can avoid visiting again visiting to your doctor by keeping this machine in your home. So friends, if you like this video, please do not forget to like and share it with your friends. And if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe to our channel because we always bring such kind of friends. So bye. Thank you.